In this video, we're going to look at how to enter an absence as the end user. Absences fall within the HR module, and as an end user, I'm already logged in as somebody who has that permission. Your menus may look different depending on how your system has been configured. So to log an absence, come into the menu item, click on the three bars, navigate to absences and click on Create New. Click on Add a New Request Line, and from here, absences can either be recorded as hours on a single day, if maybe you've got an appointment, or they can also be recorded as days and half days, perhaps if you've been off sick for a period of time. So in this example, we're going to enter an appointment. So select the date that it falls on and the timings involved. The description can be hidden. It will always be visible to your approver. Absences are shown on group calendars. If you do choose to hide it, then it won't be visible on the calendars. The leave type you select will depend on how your company has configured the system. So if you're not sure which one to pick, then speak with your WAP administrator or your HR administrator. If you are an approver in the system, if you sometimes have documents to approve for other people and you know that you are going to be absent for some time, it is possible to use this alternative user section to select an alternative approver while you're out of the office. For this particular item, as I'm only going to be away for an hour and a half, I'm not going to select that user. But if you chose somebody in the period between your start and end time, any documents that would normally come to you for approval would also go to your alternative user for approval. So it's only relevant for approvers and it can be ignored. Once you're happy, you can save the absence. You can only add one line to an absence. If you have more absences to add, you would need to create a separate absence request. Once you are happy, save and submit your request to send it off for approval. And that's it. You have confirmation that your absence has been submitted. And if you close the screen and go to your existing absence request, you'll see who it's waiting for. And you'll also receive a notification on your home screen to state that your absence has been submitted and who it's waiting for approval. In addition to the method we've just used, it is also possible to enter quick request by coming into your menu, absences, and clicking on Quick New. That simply brings up the date option. And if you had any files to attach, such as an absence certificate, a medical certificate, those can be uploaded on this screen here. Only one file can be added. If your company requires multiple attachments, these would need to be combined into one document, saved as that one document, and then attached to the absence request. Finally, there is also another way of adding absence requests by coming into your HR pages using the icon at the top, log in, and under your absence area, got an option to add a new sickness. From here, the process is the same. And that's it. That's how you add your absence. Once it's approved, depending on the type of absence it is, it will be recorded on your HR home screen and your score. If you've got any questions about that, then have a chat with your HR administrator. And that's it. That's how you raise your absence request.